Realm's property management digital assistant called Claire can now complete 95% of the property manager's maintenance work using your agency's settings and artificial intelligence to make decisions much like human property managers can. In this deep dive, we look at how smart systems mixed with machine learning and extensive settings so Claire can support any agency of any size. The end outcome is a high quality, human level result that is more efficient and customer focused with higher profits. Let's take a look how. What makes Claire so special and unlike other maintenance systems is its human like capacity to follow a process and make smart decisions. This enables Claire to take the majority of the maintenance workload off the property manager and solving the maintenance issues in live time. Claire also follows the direction and process as set out by the team by looking at your settings and setup, which works for large and small agencies alike. Claire supports each actor in the maintenance space across property manager, tenant, supplier, and landlord. Help for the property manager comes in many forms. With over 44 tasks automated in the property manager's maintenance process, it's easy to see how Claire is saving property managers up to 45% of their daily workload. We know from internal research that the average property manager touches a maintenance job more than 20 times, from first seeing it and collecting the information to getting approval or assigning it to the supplier. At 2.4 jobs per property per year, a busy property manager is spending half their day on maintenance. Then following up and chasing it out requires time, effort, and discipline. None of that is necessary with Claire's automation of those 44 tasks and the 14 stages a typical job can go through. Having managed hundreds of thousands of jobs, Claire knows just what to do with every job that comes in, based on the agency settings and any specific properties as directed by the agency, no matter how big or small you are in your agency or how many maintenance jobs you're running. Those settings inform Claire on what process to follow and then uses intelligent decision making of machine learning to make decisions on the specific job and any stage it's up to. The net result is very little maintenance stress or work for the property management team. With clear communications to the tenant, constant updates, and decisive actions, tenants stop complaining and start praising property managers. Claire consistently makes this possible 100% of the time, making service levels very high for all tenants across the rent roll, regardless of the property manager she's supporting in that job. Starting with the 24-hour day, 7-day a week concierge, through to comprehensive maintenance help that covers after hours and emergencies. It doesn't matter if your property manager has gone home for the night or is on holidays. Your tenants are still being supported, updated, chased, and notified at every step in a maintenance job. Claire also makes sure that the tenant takes care of their part by providing photos and videos of the problem, updating the job when it's been resolved, and giving satisfaction levels as feedback via a net promoter score for every single job, which heads off issues before they become a problem and enables you to manage supplier performance. So you can rest assured that the tenants are being managed and supported, which saves your property managers from complaints and unnecessary calls. Often supplier follow-up is difficult. They are busy, on the road, and slow to update jobs. They resist using systems and often things drop through the cracks. This is where Claire helps with automating over 12 tasks in the supplier section of maintenance and provides constant follow-up and processing of jobs, updating tenants when suppliers give a job update and pushing the job forward. The supplier receives access to their jobs by way of a mobile supplier platform and can update jobs, upload invoices, and change due dates and add photos while keeping everyone up to date. If a job slows down or needs to be closed, Claire will make that happen as part of her supplier settings, saving lots of time and taking that noise out of the property manager's day. Claire will also broker a good time to attend the property between the tenant and the supplier so that missed calls and wasted time is not an issue. The job is completed and closed up to 50% faster with Claire and her smart AI automation. While Claire can support the landlord activities, it depends on the agency's settings. Claire can request approval from the landlord for the quoted amount, or gain pre-approval for an amount with pre-quoted authority levels. She will also update the landlord every step of the way, and even share the invoice and job notes with photos after the job is complete, all the while keeping the job moving forward with no need for property manager intervention. This just leaves more time for personal service and conversations with the property manager. Claire is the cutting-edge property management advantage you've been looking for. Reach out today to find out more, book a demo, or to take advantage of a free trial.